Good morning, students. Today's lecture is Institutional Finance to the Entrepreneurs. So, let us discuss about the importance or the need for institutional support to the entrepreneurs. As we know that many entrepreneurs, and especially those in the small scale sector, have technology related knowledge to take care of the production and quality aspects, and that is why they dare to start up a business. They have the potential to do so, but they don't have such kind of guidance or experience, so they require lots of quality guidance and support in the beginning stage and production stage of industry in various projects and the business related activities, or in the various marketing and production related business operations. So there are some important aspects or the areas where they need the institutional support. So first is the project report preparation, such as the feasibility study report preparation and other kind of project appraisal, which has to be there in the project study report. Second, the location and layout of the plant. Thirdly, selection of man and machinery. Fourth, the competition level. Fifth, various marketing aspects. Sixth, the various type of financial facilities. Then the government assistance and subsidies. The support function will extend necessary guidance and provide the inputs and help the industries in molding during the initial stages of an enterprise. Any industry will have teething problem and uncertain situation in the initial phase of the organization. With the backing of the support function, organizations can decide to get over the difficult situation. As we know that in the initial stage, for the beginners or the new business entrepreneurs, they need some kind of support and guidance by the learned and experienced people. So for they need that kind of guidance and support in all these areas where they have to have some knowledge. Maybe suppose someone is expert as far as the theoretical knowledge is concerned. Someone has done MBA or any kind of business management course, but they don't know the practicalities. They are not experienced one. They are not skilled that way. They have the knowledge, but they don't have the experience. So they will require some kind of guidance and support by the institutional experts. So for that sake, they need institutional support. The most important aspect of a new businessman are finance and marketing related subjects of business project. An entrepreneur should be able to consider the advantages of various government subsidies and assistance given for the backward areas, and the disadvantage of marketing activities, transport cost, and problems of raw material and other facilities availability. Many industries started in the backward areas are suffering for various reasons, and therefore it is essential to give location where adequate infrastructure facilities, availability of raw material, market, and the skilled laborers are available. In such semi-developed or developed industrial areas, other support of banks and civic amenities will be available. Now, there are some financial institutions which provide technical and financial assistance and guidance to the business entrepreneurs. In India, there are central and state government which promote number of financial institutions to bring industrial development in our country. Some of the important financial institutions are Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, Export Import Bank of India, Exim Bank, Industrial Investment Bank of India, IIBI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IFCI, Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India, IRBI, Industrial Banking System, and the commercial banks. Various scheduled commercial bank and private banks also they provide financial assistance to the new business projects. Also, there are some small scale industries which provide not only the financial assistance and funding from these financial institutions, but also the technical assistance, skill training, and guidance and they also these institutions also participate in the equity of the company, and they work as the real owner of the company. And whenever these projects get established in the future, they gradually and slowly withdraw their investment amount, that is they divest from the equity portion which they have invested earlier, and they set up the whole projects as its own. So there are some particular financial institutions which help and assist the small scale industrial projects, such as the National Small Industries Corporation NSIC, Small Industries Development Organization SIDO, Small Scale Industries Board SSIB, State Small Industries Development Corporation SSIDC, District Industries Center DIC, and Technical Consultancy Organization TSO. So in this lecture, we have discussed about the importance or need of the institutional support to the investors, and which are the various financial institutions at central and state government level, which provide financial as well as technical assistance to business projects and promote them. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss about the financing mechanism of projects in India, how projects are being financed in our country, and what are various stages at which the projects are financed. And we will discuss about that also, and about these financial institutions also in detail. So that's it about today's lecture, students. Thank you very much for listening.